How to fix laptop battery draining after shutdown. So if you want to fix the laptop battery draining after shutdown, then just follow these methods. So the first thing is you might have the hibernate mode turned on. So to turn that off, what you need to do is just open up your command prompt and go with run as administrator. Click on yes, and here you will get this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply enter some command, which is power cfg.exe space / hibernate space off. Hit the enter. And once you hit the enter, then your problem will be fixed. The hibernate will be turned off. And the second method you need to do is you just need to simply turn off your fast startup. That allows your computer to turn on faster after shutting down. To do so, you need to open up your control panel. Under your control panel, make sure that you go to large icons and you need to go with power options. Open up your power options and now you need to click on choose what the power buttons do option, which is right here on the left side. Now uncheck the box which has turn on fast startup, and after that your problem will be fixed. Now the next method you can try is you can disable USB power off charging. Some laptops have a power off charging feature. This feature is enabled by default. It can be a useful feature because it allows users to charge their USB devices by connecting them to the USB port of their laptop, even if the laptop is turned off. If your laptop supports this feature and is enabled on your laptop, this can be the cause of the battery draining issue after shutdown. So refer to the manufacturer's support website to know whether your laptop model supports this feature or not, and how to turn off this feature. Some laptops, like Acer, have this feature available in the quick access menu, from where you can turn it off or on. And the next method is changing the Intel Management Engine interface properties. Many users reported that the issue was fixed after changing the properties of the Intel Management Engine interface driver. If your system has an Intel processor, you can try this fix. Open the device manager using Windows search. You need to enlarge the system devices. Under system devices, you will have the Intel section. Look for the Intel Management Engine interface. Once you find it, click on it and then right click on it, go with properties, and make sure that you are under the Power Management tab. And once you're under the Power Management tab, you will have an option of allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. You just need to simply uncheck it, and after that go with OK, and you'll fix your problem. But if the problem still persists, the issue may be associated with your laptop. You can follow some guides to run a battery health check on your Windows 10 or 11, and you can check your battery health. So that's how you can fix your laptop battery draining after shutdown. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.